You know you've always wanted to play a musical instrument, but you've failed so far. Would you like to try the harmonica? I'm a harmonica teacher. Maybe I could teach you how to do it. You know, one of these little guys. Cheap to buy, easy to play, fits in your pocket. What's not to love? Sounds like this. Something like that. What do you think? You want to have a go? Come on inside, I'll tell you more. Now, what do you like to do after a busy day at work? Do you like to play music? This is a question. This is one of the things that a lot of my students like to do. They like to sit down in the evening, have a glass of something and play some music. Now, which instrument do you like? Which would you like to learn? Would you like to learn a new one? Would you like to add something to your repertoire if you already play something? What about one of these? Have you thought about that? Do you know what that is? The old mouth organ, the tin sandwich, the gob iron, the spittle trap, the lip wrecker. The harmonica is the correct term for it. So the harmonica is a pretty cool instrument to play, I think. I've been playing it for 30 years, and I'm going to keep going until I'm 98, I suppose. And it's a really interesting thing to play. Lots of fun, very easy to play if you can breathe. If you can't breathe, it's not for you. So I'm just going to take the harmonica here. I'm going to just breathe in easy and breathe out. Sounds okay, doesn't it? If I did that repeatedly. So I just got a bit of an audience down there. Hello, boys. So that's kind of swinging a little bit of a train rhythm, or I could play it straight. So I'm just going tick-a-hoo, tick-a-hoo, tick-a-chaka, tick-a-chaka, tick-a-chaka. Very easy, isn't it? You've got to agree with that. Very, very simple. And lots of fun. And the thing I like about the harmonica is that it fits in your top pocket. It's very easy to play, like I said, if you can breathe. And it fits in any type of musical environment, so you can often just join in with a group or a band, you know, people playing in a pub or a wedding thing, or even whip it out and play Happy Birthday to somebody. What a beautiful gift to give somebody on their birthday, especially if you've forgotten to buy anything for them. So playing Happy Birthday for somebody, it's a little bit of a performance that you can do. It's a great thing to have. I'm very, very impressed with the harmonica. Always have been. I play a few other instruments as well, but that's the one which really gets me, because it's just a blast to play. And I'm looking for some more students. So would you like to be one of my students? Would you like to learn to play the harmonica? You know, we can do all kind of things. What about the old grey whistle test? Do you remember that? I forgot the shaker. I should have played that one as well. I have got a shaker. I can do both at the same time, actually. Very difficult to do with my limited amount of brain cells available. Now, my program, if you're interested, it's on harmonicamastery.com, or you can press the button down below and you'll find that takes you to a webinar. It's a pre-recorded one. It's not pretending to be a live thing. It's a pre-recorded webinar. It's about 35 minutes long, I think. And halfway through that, a button will come up which allows you to book a call with me if you wish to. So you can watch that if it makes any sense to you. If you think I'm talking sense about the harmonica, then you know you'll see it's an authentic thing, a genuine thing. And you can press the button at that point and you can book a call with me. It'll take you to a little questionnaire so that we can sort of know a little bit more about you, and then, which takes 2 minutes to fill in, one of those little boring little annoying little forms that we have to fill in, and then that will give you a calendar link and you can book a call with me, and then we'll have a chat, or either with me or with one of the team, depends how many bookings we've got coming in. It's quite a lot at the moment, and that's it. And then you'll be on the program. And if you want to join it, be on the program. And you can find more about it on harmonicamastery.com. harmonica.com, you can see the value. There's a massive amount of value on there, and you'll see what some of the past and current students are saying about it, and see what they think, and you can, have a chat with me and decide what you want to do. And if you want to go ahead, I can help you. If you'd like to work with me, that'll be great. If you don't want to, that's fine as well. So whatever you want to do. I'm not trying to pressurize anything with this. I could do with a few more students, but it's, that's the nature of teaching, isn't it? It's not exactly a business. It's you're a teacher. I've been a teacher for 25 years, and I need students to put bread on the table, obviously. So that's it. If you like it, come on in.